In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to assign tasks in ClickUp. To get started, open ClickUp and go to your Workspace. This is the main area where all of your projects, lists and tasks are organized, so make sure you're in the correct workspace before continuing. Next, open the task you want to assign. To do that, navigate to the list where the task is located, then click on the task itself. This will open the Task Details panel, where you can view and edit important information related to that task. Once you're inside the task, look for the Assignee field. This is the section that shows who is currently responsible for the task. You can click the assignee avatar if someone is already assigned, or click the empty assignee field if no one has been added yet. This opens the list of available people you can assign. Now, search for the person you want to assign to the task. When you see their name in the list, click it. As soon as you do, that person is assigned to the task. This is useful for making ownership clear and ensuring everyone knows who is responsible for moving the work forward. If you want to assign the task to more than one person, open the Assignee field again and select any additional people you'd like to add. ClickUp can support multiple assignees, which is especially helpful when a task involves collaboration or shared responsibility. If you're unable to select more than one person, you'll need to enable the Multiple Assignees ClickUp first. To do that, open the App Center, go to All ClickUps, and search for Multiple Assignees. Turn it on, then choose the spaces where you want this feature to be available. Once it's enabled, go back to your task and add the extra assignees. You can also assign tasks directly from List View. Open the List View, find the Assignee column, and click the assignee icon for the task you want to update. Then simply select the person you want to assign. This method is great if you're managing several tasks quickly without opening each one individually. Another option is to assign a task while creating it. Click Create Task, enter the task name, then click the avatar icon in the task creation window. From there, select the person you want to assign before saving the task. Finally, check the assigned task by opening it and looking at the Assignee field. You should now see the selected person's avatar and name there. That confirms the task has been assigned successfully. Thanks for watching.